first get you some breaking news that is coming, and before that, just to tell you that the Indian Council of Medical Research has revised its guidelines for the use of rapid antibody test kits. Also forwarded a protocol to all the states on how the test kits will be used. But before that, we are cutting across to some breaking news coming in from the Ministry of Home Affairs to all the states, as it states that states must ensure adequate security to healthcare professionals, medical staff and frontline workers to prevent violence against them. Strict action will be taken against those who obstruct the performance of last rites of COVID warriors succumbing to COVID-19. Aishwarya Kapoor, our political editor, joining us on the phone line. Aishwarya, that recent incident that had happened in Chennai where a decent burial could not be given to the doctor who had died of COVID-19 while saving lives, and that is an incident that had scared the entire country. Now the government making it very clear that COVID warriors must be given dignified last rites. What more are you picking up on this? Alright, we seem to have lost that line with Aishwarya, but just to quickly recap for our viewers, MHA has given a strong warning to all the states to ensure
ordinance being passed. Yeah. This is after the ordinance being passed, the cabinet approving the ordinance. It is basically a message being sent in by the MHA that you need to protect the COVID warriors. This is the first line of defense. This is exactly what the Home Minister said in that video conference with the representatives of the IMA, and this is what has been cleared in the ordinance. The ordinance has been cleared because of the unprecedented situation which is created because of COVID-19, and there are incidents, though the government has termed them as unfortunate, but it is a reality that certain incidents are taking place, and that is why the MHA has declared, the MHA brought this ordinance which has been cleared by the cabinet, and now the MHA has written to each and every state chief secretary directly and to the DGPs that provide security at each and every medical institution so that the COVID warriors, that is the doctors, the medical staff, the paramedical staff, are not discriminated upon. Because there were incidents coming in that when they go back home, there are attacks on them. The people living in surrounding areas are trying to attack them, are not allowing them to go back home. This is something which is very unfortunate according to the government and should not have happened, but it has. Hence the ordinance, and now the orders have been sent in to the specific states that if this will be allowed in the states, then center would have to intervene. In the present scenario, this is the first line of attack, and you have to provide all available security to our COVID warriors.
All right, Aishwarya, thank you for sharing those details. And we continue to get you more as far as the latest